ama yanina. Anamuamu. I hope what I'm hearing is false. Sir, police, when they are looking up to some of you policemen, some of you are even partaking in this nonsense. Police no, I don't know from that on your no. You're not a phone no free. It comes from your end. Ma oh my Obinum Ejuma Gold Nebano. I didn't try to say that yet. Some of us, young smuggle, young you are sago no, at to Tomao. Who says that Yamanu? That's the kind of ever Shanu Sano, ever create inflation ama Yanina. And I'm Wamu. I hope what I'm hearing is false. Sir, police, when they are looking up to some of you policemen, some of you are even partaking in this nonsense.
Okay. Now, Jerry John Rollins is full galamsey. Say, quite almost fast or not. What's it? What to take across a police if only become home. I don't think your boy, you know. But Rollins can say, I hope what I'm hearing is not to say more police if no. No allegation. No allegation. No allegation. Send them allegation says a police phone be kwaji, soldier phone be kwaji. Send the allegation. And then the amount for evidence when grasses or visit or the site almost 24 hours. Now, sat down there no more new evidence. Next side. Satam Galam said you to crew from you, rough from Sa, you know, more born back who say no mercy for no to know. About Jerry John Rollins. No, Nabina, no, that time, no, Quanstry. Now, I also there 7 hours. Oh, han ni minka say o mumuna me say o han ni go. Na Rollins da be no wakata na ni da. That wonim. Ye didn't party nonsense kwa no mo sere. Enei. On to aba. Santem Rollins ka. That time Rollins ni to aba. Da bi o dem kan say, what can ask no mbo mu nsema no. Ene ni pedi nsafo kwa oga na akwa na. What can ya? Ah no also on to aba. That is the so wakata him say nonsense inti. Ah. Rollins the catch we yes we na dwi ni say. I was say na mumu hura na. Says I who knows so the mark, Sa Kalam say Quasiasem no, or call back whom you need to try. We are being treated with kids' gloves today. And in Ghana, kids' gloves. Obia this a muhuna. No, I was a party biachi. Party no so to we anti. Ombo protect vote now open. I know we are Montwaba. And the appear could be say. They as MPs have failed for passing LI 2462. Now MPBR should bow his head in shame. So I'm trao. Emma Mrabeto no almost open so mamrano. Already an assembly say, and no nama and ensure say nanya small scale because until the passage of this law in 2022. Obakaya 2019 ensure no war on Galamsey no ensure anything asante okay omo passing law we ye no ensure niti e wo forest nim enti omo say no ensure na free kwaye ni mu ba nyina asay and the parliament bedo Electoral Commission started re-exhibition online. Indeed. Mami, then you ran the appear could be in Chuchin Como. Ewa Humanoso. You ran the appear could be Mimoachiano pay. Now, pump to say, oh, Yamiadum, be able to call. A chill for a minute. Honorable Santia Chimno for and no, me chat. Clap for 10 points. Clap. Where can pay? Somewhere back to me, Wahano. But now, man, I wouldn't say much to just say, Brassabe Jafo. Womunina, who can be munyin tum say, Muddy or money, Hamo, Abraham, called Trasina. Modem on Sako share Kratasi G2 mo LI 2462. Na yenti de memo akasa. Ebe wo ka ho na mo pass emre.
So be that dedican mama share with you for the America san say asana airline no be pass no. If you abaya say bi ne beba. Eni abaya say no fi ba. Sa adwuma no omdi ye no. Ene nyina hu say asoni omo airline omo ye bill bill no. Asoni the proposal by Supreme Court decision where you say the bill biba Parliament ni who akwenya say you be change the wording of the bill no as brought. And today kwenya under Article 11 no they say you be vote at the end by 2/3 majority say the whole bill number unwholesome indeed. You may hear you near to na ebi akwaja say the better no enti mistake no ayi nyina jatu no starting from government agency no lands and forest ministry no the mistake is started here the buyer no so your convention be say subsidiary legislation committee refer my ye moi ye pre-laying conference no hono nada achinye wo say yenum bi na yesi empreso enye member but at the end of the day no government agency no obede ba the beka after the omudi aba ho no pre-laying no en shawmu say omunyi de ekerintu nemom emran wo mo fa say yakra ke bi say ye preso na enya omusi chichira ombele a omo hu kwaja so bule nemom mo na wia say parliament bulu ena ye kase ade wi abai enyanti enyintu by 2/3 majority hona ye from so na ejitu mo ya resist our objections na ya pass that vote of 2/3 majority rejected bill hona ye from so enti womu edeba na ye from so kase na ye susu a ya kwaja to adwene so ye ka hona emrano be na senior be catch the one really conference me say na me preso maybe muso preso but ye can see preso na government agency no omo na kase say omo say go for isi preso ide bi mu si preso ide ye nya isi ide ko and I say but omo anyen sa no mo le Injumle na akwenya ni e wodi se ayen parliamentary ye beka se enye papa ti ye
ye Randy na nei mo komra se bejafie ye nyante ye se Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo de ato lands ministry na nim se onku chiri nkrata meto manim na mo nhwe na mo nyimfiri ho titiro na no kra ka organized labor and say ya omode ma nana so ede ose eye oyo ejimigiri se we de mu nyina ma hunu se ma fom de ebeto anya de amatwentwen so kra na
constitution no kire matumi se abaya se bi enye emre bi atise airline sa constitution ko ma sa abai asenu kwaje se enrebi omoye no omo mpeno mpeso mi fi obuti fi o ana se my mufu Ghana ni under Article 130 ebetimi invoke Supreme Court jurisdiction say Supreme Court nkase sa amra no enimra Ghana ha
ebobra
period law ebobra and I say the constitution ebobra it's yipio it's two ways ebetimi yimra the fioro it say omo kasa omo de bae no omo ho akwanya ni omo exercise mandate to withdraw it ekinye bia ni ho
yo
except say and the converse no the parliament is by 2/3 majority ebetimi akase omo peso bi fi okra le peso omo bi fi but which I think and masa it is omo de kwanya no ba say omo peso bi fi wa we dey senior public sentiment cry channel Minister Parliamentary.
What Roma? Yera na Drisu minority. Wakati we are seeing say by the close of today, now mo minority. Is answer. Oko invoke Article 97. FGH. I just say mo members of Parliament miensa. Ba kuno independent candidate. Mo party are roping in so onko jina na name. Baako so a oye member of parliament to aba wanyi ono so ko independent saa na baako so protose yakotu no suhum ono so ko independent momensa na mabumra so ntino ko invoke article 97 we are lawyer kunini will you see the light of day near your kind
you say I don't do so can be and so enye agwenchire na elo enti ono chire law no sani otiase fa na on this particular occasion me so magwene be say he is wrong
okay
memo the woman say from so number in 2020 Professor Michael Quay then Speaker of Parliament in the case of now second
deputy speaker, that's right.
Bra we declare intention say obeko independent. Professor Quay really say he has vacated his seat, which to me even at that time I even told Esiama Nankasa say a wrongful interpretation. And he untested the law in Supreme Court. And in fact, I offered to be his lawyer. Now, Okasha said, a time no extra, and now person between Mansono, and indeed, Yama Eka, na expanded. And he asked to speak, you know, okay, hands at more. So I really knew. It is a President Speaker, Honorable Abambebe, said, Okase obeying boku president na onye so albeit say president no wrongful but in law we say that president follows the law and president no any ahode nche law
that's right
memo Supreme Court and the by interpretation, equality, it is a Sabi majority, no, yes, thinking forward, yeah. Sabi says, the right to challenge a possible ruling. Are you ready?
Okay.
Now, in the case of Kwachi versus Attorney General, Supreme Court, I can say, they cannot make a declaration in a vacuum. And in Assembly Maya Supreme Court, and to me, so say interpretation out in a vacuum. And I just said interpretation number. Na abaye asem Supreme Court can was
okay.
Na Supreme Court jurisdiction.
Ebebam.
Right.
Okay.
Say between Goku. I'm a Supreme Court I can was it. I think the maker say thinking forward. As I said, written by now, ready. Because I presume, say, I really know Mr. Speaker, because of Boku president, albeit wrongly.
Okay.
Media too. This has been my prescription.
Okay. Ade Akye could be. Meda asiano pay wanya breni akasa me do be sia meda asipi asante achim
mo fanche me na da bia me voice je nso na die kra because no second lady ba me ha ma rally ne campaign kesenti
ni nyina aka adwuma no ni nyina aka adwuma da asipi asante ebo yesi chama untumi aka asem bi yenti
Yene chairman.
Achama untimi. So what to founders.
Na akanfo akoto aba adima ba omia amajo Muhammad na niwi. Mr. Mumutie. Na masama ya kanisa. Nyawra Muhammad. Aya batwa. Na wakanfo police station. And I was the first police station. Now, maybe make a sa Ade Akye for the say. I can for that yet to a battle. Say a policy, see a quack I can for police station. It's going to be competition to the novelist police station. They say, Baba be competition. Because aba yebenyano yebetuano obia behu sanso ana menchama utubi me Christoni naso na tibia unkramonia sesiano a Christopher ali akramofo nyina no yatibia come together say ye wotibie wonumu say ye wotibie awo yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumiamu eti yebenya police station me kwa sare wo Roman me ya Catholic ni
okay azante ebo asem konsa me ya me say asemba to obo ne tie nipa no ni tie wuntumi wo se omokwa akokreti Akan polling station and Northern police station. If I understand him clearly, and now without, and there's sort of ambiguity because emunye clear. But they may take a crowd, what can I say? Or no ya can ni, or ye Christoni, and so who ba me or ye cremonia, bibi woni mua, or ye Christoni, so betuamano. Or ya can ni, and so who ba me or ye strimnia. Obeto amano na najo mama say akamfo no nya de ombe dey obeto abama ba omia na be di omani so adi omoso enso akamfo koto abama ba omia a oyesrem ni be leader. I don't see anything that is damning about this.
My media, this election, like we have been saying, is about issue.
Wait, so irrelevant.
I'm very.
Also, because I am to your bunny team. Go on, Jaya. But this listen.
Sometimes, we won't give them the mileage.
Let's not even waste time on this.
You say man extra mileage, but now when your opportunity to espouse this message, and on my media BBC, I'm in percent.
Apalubu of fool. Said your mama did do my temper, papa. Say, Ocasa Bernard Mona so on fast or your papa chain. Omo good line no so no. Nipa bear 12. But John has a video anyhow. There is a video to that effect. Omanhene Yaw mama say. Ni wajiri no say ono ni nua Bernard Mona. Oni ballot no so. Electoral Commission a disqualify no a enye kwampa so. Now here omo aka egu so ha.
It will create confusion or controversy.
Omanhene Yaw mama.
And but say if you say on say about me also make sympathy comments on Mona disqualification.
Yeah, he was.
All because it's a PNC for someone. The MPP and NDC who have to gamble for that vote.
I
don't think that Mahama so had that making this statement so that the sympathy toward the NDC sympathy towards.
No, but if you are making a sympathy, make your sympathy. And that now, Mama.
Was say they are all equal. Anyone will say, Benny say, Muna. One so encohe nipa na.
Also, nipa na no better bona ye papa che bebre. Why you indicted them?
And the commission all say or no where you Benabona is in John Mama so you know one chance.
And I say, Ubetimaka say, Bernard Mona na commission no day. Why you no free no? PNC is a credible end it there. But to say, or shall listen go na. Bernard Mona papa che bebre. Masadi asem
only man peneda Mahama difference e wom.
Dabi don't say that.
And you know say are you Venice Apalubo
no just Apalubo omo aka nyina no it's a complete disrespect for them to be frank. I am being blunt.
And I say who say I said mama take it to me no was I Ghana for PTS and mama me back here uncle and I said ni pepi woman as suppose who but I'm going to try my uncle to me
everything. Debi ona ekwadon kono wa
fele form
oye mistake ana
and make a only
easy share the near me no oye correct enti no me say Omanhene John Mama shouldn't have said say oh sha listen no oye ni pada ebi mo no
na ekwadon o my ekwadon nya de say you be disqualify the people as far as the men's is concerned
there na de oye the men's
because they are now so much catch NDC for
mo diabo adai mami wanyam dai matana ni sa adai me ba ye waduma
and na Jamaica say
no by that time no o kasa asem no you are qualifying in that
na me ga no let's say family say there me ba no
but truth to be told Omanhene John Mama was not fair to them and it was total disrespect to them because the political parties are there on merit. They filed, they went through the system and they've been approved. Say they are credible to stand with almost parliamentary candidate. Etimibao, Chedako, Tialan Sokawana.
Was someone can I say a kutia be on why Yama who's that?
Devil Sanya Kutia said, Devil Bounce. What say? I said,
Mama career no. Has I had a gun commenting?
Devil, say assemble our career. And you'll be out of a commenting. Obi Odma is a dove. Uncle Sound found. But Obi also is a hawk on the Casa. A just a kutia in Nirana. I say, Omobia disobia Jamano. That's how Palu has not been fair to your mama in any way. It's been bashing your mama from day one. It's an opportunity for your mama to also take a spite on him.
Say, when you say some mama, so when you say some making a controversy.
So why say it again? And the rest of when me a Paluana. Okay, do one me a Paluana. I don't know Paluswa Jamano.
No, but
on the most serious story.
I'm going to reply, man.
I'm going to reply, your mama and you.
I'm going to be a man.
No, but the statement was belittling them to that course. When I look at the list here, my brother is missing, and I can't understand. And you go through the list, he's far better, more credible. Electoral Commission the Sankwasi bebre. Abegum Bernard Mona krama in a film na Sankwasi. Oh John. Oh. I said we can't call because me can about me I can say he sympathizes with the and even Bernard Mona the 8 was on a Sompa say the first person you disqualified our friend was Baumia. He said it live on radio. Say, Baumia, a surprising woman. No, behind him said Bernard Mona ye NDC. I said don't get here. The guy was so peeved. I said don't get here. Your mama, Fifi Kote, none of them have picked a phone to call Bernard to even console. But at the bus you qualified the first person of friend. I only didn't come. Our man Land Cruiser cross say all call na problem because Bernard Bona is so campaign because also if he say be an court no a ruling in his favor. But made an available a Land Cruiser so on fan court na yi. And James said no so na NDC for what you say. Akoya na PNC for this time Oma shift.
Party be say two main parties no and I've been cheddar and Alan Chamantino. Oma tini PNC for Ameja for the confirm Electoral Commission Entimia and Institute Oma.
How do you match?
Oh, some can be or no go MPP and NDC PNC. You say Omo ni candidate. And Bianca also advance Ebia
Apostle Bernard Mona I mean na can see met snap akem.
No one can woman
because MPP NDC
this is a time
going to December 7th. If MPNC is not coming out, there are PNC people are Bernard Mona being their flag bearer, de facto flag bearer. Obetima day, Alobiyama party no. Because in the north, there are PNC people there, pa. So they will want the vote
so
from both PNDC.
50,000 across the whole country.
50,000 votes unim Boa party. Now President Mills said it was 45,000.
Yeah.
Yes. Until 50,000 votes. Now ya omunya 50 ne there. Watch it.
Onya. The last election that's onya 65 or 66,000. And
PNC.
Okay, PNC.
PNC for so you
on the election on it depends on number of people about Kotwaba. So when you need say on the election on voter is almost 80 million. Imagine say nipa 80 million in Kotwaba now. On my 100,000 bia is a 0.9%. You do 1%. And say Koba say on my Koba say election no you nipa 10 million kotwa. When you 100,000 bia is almost 1%. 1%. When you 50,000 are upon 5%.
Now 1% no say
and you know and the last election Chabosom sunya more than 100,000 you know which means
Chabosom was number 3. Obiti obia. No the sa Kwame Nkrumah you know.
This time around we jaye and say no
this time one. Because that Kwame Nkrumah dem na man for 2 man. All of a sudden minima the crow ja wajai.
Na ni nsem bia waka afterwards no.
Oribo fu Kwame Nkrumah na.
Ni nsem bia okeka won say man fo won say boy Kristo ni and for that man fe ni nsem bia obekeka say we believe say we ho Jesus san nsem.
No so be twi ne ma. Bebre no. Say be go against.
But
okay.
O my ye kokra no. I say another election we see ade ba ku bi wo ha na say yen SDA for no.
Yes. SDA. December 7th. What's the decision? A quick one.
No. Decision na nkasa de o man asafo no. Aye frame pen for mo decision ni say. Gina wugidie so. Opa koto. Opa menkoto. Okoto a onye bone.
And I want to so a onye bone.
Enti kokoto e. As far as the church is concerned.
Because Unima there, Asante, there are a lot of MPP and NDC members from SDA on that day, Saturday, no. But say we are polling station executive and our branch executive. Now NDC the Juma Shawonsa. O say we SDA now mo we ni ade a oba be bibi.
Onim. Say Juma we bia going forward no. I'll take it upon myself to explain things. Me master mon frukrum no. O man ye wo MPP delegates P or and then ye asoro nko.
Me a polling station for.
Yes.
Other churches so.
Other
constituency.
So no for no. You will say nipa bi wana ye atwa so ma beto ba no me ye for. So asoro no twi bi aso sebe.
So koto e beto asan.
Then the same thing happened. The last time on the side we never almost 24 years ago.
To be assessing. Okay. Yeah, maybe GD say I was say we are SDA. I was say we a good citizen. Me nya sure say we to aba Saturday a just say why adwuma church ne say okoto a wonye bone. Wan koto so a wonye bone.
So definitely have to go and vote.
Koto.
The youth know they should make up.
Mickey.
Legend.
And then I boy match. And but I say your points is how?
Yep, you have 2 points from the games played. You bought 3 matches.
Yeah, 2 points.
And you bought game number 4. We've lost 1 and you draw me, you know. We lost to Angola.
as Angola for no almost 9 points.
Yeah, they won all their games. So
It's almost qualify crown.
No, they have all but qualified. I find it's almost 9, 1.5.
TAE ni pa 2 ana.
Yeah, 2 from each group.
It's Angola, Sudan.
Yep, and you vie for the 2 spots available. Niger, they find it say Wakoye Sibe will group in him on just 1 point. Although a mathematical chance of qualifying, but the reality is that ultimate show be. Yeah, no more board draw, but all the Niger will come here.
But na Niger so kan ko ma be twendo ka boys go me
dwa. Ba ko bi akoso Libya. Se Libya ne ko bo no.
Yeah.
Nigeria ne Libya. Asem bi esi wo ho an ko ni.
Anya omo aka airport for
omo body omo app or airport.
They say omo ko
about 13 hours. No, Nigeria for no omo so omo mbobo nti. They've returned to the country.
But why would Libya?
Okay, so apparently they see in say Libya they didn't come about Nigeria. Now, I'm say how they were handled at the airport in a way, treatment was not the best.
To the paying back.
So they feel say Nigeria for no somehow, and are responsible for that. And they say so bad. Send your mom fame, the double and triple the amount. Really, they held on to their word. Some kind now. Omo stranded at the airport for 13 hours plus.
That's when they're born.
Anna over the bus by the bus there. Ever na dear trotro living.
Me nipa mensa ko trema na me we no friend.
Ever na dear trotro hello. Around the Nigeria team is over now for love.
That's embarrassing. This is so archaic.
They deliberately planned, but CAF I refer to a disciplinary board. Say
they can be banned.
They can be punished per CAF statute regulations. The sanctions can range from a fine. You be moving the next home matches they are called neutral venue. And then omobe timiswa caution or verbal say DSC member money. So they will gather all the facts of the matter. No game there Celibia for any training. So time this one officials also they'll go to the pitch. Say Nigeria for and show up. Then it might be likely be declared a forfeiture. Because CAF and cancel game.
CAF on chem.
Wow. And I will pay Jaho. So
and our petition CAF.
Nigeria for coach and fence finish the one.
Austin Oguamo. Yeah.
And so maybe because football there once our person belong to
Master bad be bad treatment of them out there.
We say 3 points as Nigeria so qualify.
In as much as the among qualify.
No, but the hydration caught up with them. A lot of the players were dehydrated.
Might be seen as aggressive or my go overboard kakrasi embo game no. A bit justified because
13 hours are there.
Professional players, some of professional clubs they train say players ni but they can't be in poor physical condition and go and play such a game and risk getting injured. So almost we have to take such a.
Mickey is here, the Sakura man.